Hello and welcome to today's class. So today we'll be dealing on substitution in logarithm. So first of all, let's take an example. Example 1. Given that log 2 to base 10 equals 0.3010 and log 3 to base 10 equals 0.4771. Evaluate log 0.24 to base 10. Solution: log 0.24 to base 10. We are asked to evaluate this. Now, log 0.24 is the same thing as log open bracket 24 all over 100 to base 10. Why? Because 0.24 is 24 divided by 100. In order to have a better understanding in today's class, you need to watch our first video on logarithm, introduction to logarithm. So the next task is to apply the subtraction law. Subtraction law of logarithm. This was treated in our first class. Now, if we apply the subtraction law of logarithm, we would have log 24 to base 10 minus log 100 to base 10. Now, 24 is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 3 to base 10. Then minus log 100 is the same thing as 10 raised to power 2 to base 10. Now, the next task is to apply the additional law of logarithm. Additional law or addition law of logarithm. This was also treated in our first class on the introduction to logarithm. So if we apply the addition law of logarithm, we would have log 8 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10 minus log 10 raised to power 2 to base 10. Now, 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3 to base 10 because 2 multiply itself 3 times gives you 8 plus log 3 to base 10 minus log 10 raised to power 2 to base 10. Now the next task is to apply the index logarithm law. Index logarithm law. So if we apply the index logarithm law here, we would have 3 multiplied by log 2 to base 10 plus, we write this, log 3 to base 10 minus 2 multiplied by log 10 to base 10. So we have 3 log 2 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10 minus 2 multiplied by 1, because log 10 to base 10 is 1. Log of any number to itself as a base is equal to 1. This was treated in our first video on logarithm. Log of any number to itself as a base. So we have log 10 and we have base 10, so it becomes 1. So here we have 3 log 2 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10 minus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now the next task is to substitute values. We are to substitute values. In the question, we are given log 2 to base 10 to be 0.3010, and then log 3 to base 10 to be 0.4771. So if we substitute it, we would have